Hey, everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common question that SimpliSafe users often have: how to reset the SimpliSafe Siren. Whether you're experiencing issues with your alarm system or just want to make sure everything is in working order, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Gather necessary information. Before we start, make sure you have your SimpliSafe account information and your PIN handy. You'll need these to access and make changes to your system. Step 2. Access your SimpliSafe account. Open the SimpliSafe app on your smartphone or log into your SimpliSafe account on the web portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices or System tab, depending on your platform. Step 3. Select the siren. Locate and select the SimpliSafe Siren in the list of devices connected to your system. Step 4. Reset the siren. Look for an option that allows you to reset or reboot the siren. This might be labeled differently depending on your system version, but it's typically something like Reset Device or Reboot Siren. Click or tap on this option, and the system will guide you through the reset process. Follow any on-screen prompts or confirmations as needed. Step 5. Confirm reset. After initiating the reset, the system may prompt you to confirm your action. Confirm the reset to proceed. Step 6. Wait for the reset to complete. Now, give it a moment. The system will reset the SimpliSafe Siren, and you should see a confirmation message when the process is complete. Conclusion. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide on how to reset your SimpliSafe Siren. If you have any other questions or if this video helped you out, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Smart 4 Home for more helpful content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.